The Kairos Instruments CytoWorks 200 live cell imaging system is designed for the individual researcher. We provide the features you need for your experiments, offering custom designs for your specific needs. Kairos Instruments is a Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania-based company focused on live cell imaging. Our experience is based on providing systems mainly for imaging centers interested in providing researchers access to imaging both visible and fluorescent images. Most systems provide 4 fluorescent signals along with visible phase imaging on an inverted microscope. Images are collected typically every 15 to 30 minutes for up to 3 to 7 days on the scope, although longer experiments are also possible. Most systems use a standard microplate, 6-well up to 384-well plates. This system, developed for NIST, has 2 individually controlled incubators on a Zeiss inverted microscope. Each incubator is capable of controlling CO2 and reduced oxygen independently, with temperature control and humidity monitoring. All the parameters are plotted and recorded. These are complex systems, but it's been our experience that only a few researchers actually use the advanced features. Many more would prefer a system built for their specific needs. The CytoWorks 200 system is intended for the individual researcher. The unit will fit on a standard lab bench. The electronic control box can be mounted above or below the instrument. The incubator on the automated table can be removed for direct access to the microplate or through the top door if fluid access ports are in use. The system uses LEDs for visible phase imaging and for the fluorescent imaging. No shutters. A single fluorescent cube and visible LED with easy access to the components. The software used to control the system was developed using National Instruments LabVIEW and can easily be adapted to any special application. The researcher simply starts a new experiment and selects the type of plate, in this case, a 48-well plate. Next, the researcher selects a well, then a location within the well, selecting visible and fluorescent exposures for each location of interest. To start the experiment, enter a scan time and select Run. When the program is running, counting down for the next scan, the operator can move to any location to look at the progress of the experiment. It's also possible to take individual visible and fluorescent images at any location, and also to produce focal stacks at any location. The images are stored in a folder based on the experiment name, then subfolders based on the well and the locations within the wells. The images are stored sequentially. We also have a program called CytoMiner for taking a quick look at an experiment remotely, at home or on a cell phone. The images can be analyzed after a typical 5 to 7 day experiment or longer. Open source programs such as ImageJ, Fiji, and Cell Profiler can produce videos, cell counting, and cell tracking for analysis. Kairos is an ancient Greek word meaning the right or opportune moment when something special happens. We believe you should be imaging for discovery so you don't miss those special moments in time.